guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a unboxing of my new purse I got. But before we get started into today's video, be sure to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up at the end if you decide you like it. If you would like to see me unbox my new Gucci bag, then just keep on watching. Okay guys, before we get started with today's video, I want to let you know what purse I got and a little bit of a background of the situation, and then I'll unbox it for you guys. So I got the Gucci small shoulder bag in beige ebony Nero. And yeah, so I got this on Nordstrom's Rack website. I didn't get it through Gucci's website because I get points if I order from their website. So I was like, I might as well order from their website, you know, and get money towards like a next purchase. So I decided to order from their website. I did order the Gucci Matelasse mini bag, crossbody bag, but I hated it. Like, I unboxed it. It looked really cute in the picture and a good size in the picture, but seeing it in person, it was like this small. So I returned that super quick, and then I ordered the medium-sized Matelasse, and then it was like, your order's been placed, blah blah blah. It sent me an email, and then like 3 days later it said that it was canceled because what happened? They canceled it because they were out of stock. So that was very frustrating. But originally I wanted this ebony one, the one that I just purchased, because I liked it and I just was like trying to save some money. So then like when that purse got canceled, I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna get this one. Like, who cares? And like, I purchased a Louis Vuitton Saint Tange bag, and I was leaning towards getting a Louis Vuitton again, but I didn't want to because there wasn't any that I really liked. I'm not going to spend my money on a purse that I don't really care or like, you know? Like, I want to be able to know that I'm going to use it every day. I'm not going to just get it because of the brand. Like, I'm going to get it if I really like it. So I ended up getting this one because I just like couldn't stop thinking about it. And honestly, I'm surprised that I bought a Gucci bag because I'd never really liked Gucci. I like their sunglasses and like their slides, but never seen myself getting a purse until I seen this one and the Matelasse. So yeah, if you guys would like to see me unbox this, then let's do this. Sorry, I hate when like people rant too, like when they're doing unboxing, it's the worst. Just a heads up, it's not going to come in in a Gucci box because it's from Nordstrom's website. It's a Gucci bag. It's authentic. It's like by Gucci, but I think it's because it's a second party. They don't include the boxes because obviously the luxury of purchasing from Gucci's website is you get the box and like the whole packaging. So that's what kind of sucks. I learned that on the last bag I bought. So, but it's okay. Like, I don't really need the box anyways. I did order some slides, so hopefully it does come with the box just so I could display it on my shelf. But yeah, so let's jump into this. So it just came in a bigger brown box, and then this one was in the other box, like, so it was like doubled. But I took it out because I'm like, why am I going to carry 2 boxes around if I don't need to? So let's get a bunch of tissue paper, and then it has like the wrong purse on there. It has the Gucci Marmont handbag. But I didn't order this, so I don't know. I think they just mislabeled it. And then just more tissue. So it just comes in the dust bag like this, which I think is really weird, but whatever. And let's see. I'm so excited, guys. I've been waiting, like anxiously waiting for this. Okay. See, you can already see how pretty it is. All right, this has tape. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Dang, they like really packaged this up so good. How do you, oh, hold on, I'm trying to figure out how do you, oh god. I don't know how to open this. Oh my goodness. Okay. The frick. Is there like a side button? Or what do you... Oh my gosh. Okay, so there's a little button right here that you have to push to unlock the clasp. I literally was like pulling this. Dang, there's like just so much to it. Isn't this gorgeous? Oh my god, I've been wanting this purse so bad. There's this one YouTuber I watch, her name's Hannah, and it's like Victoria or something. And she like wore this purse like, and she got it like in the beginning of the year. And I was like, oh my god, like when I seen it, I was like, that is so pretty. I'm so excited. Okay. There's still a ton of wrapping. So, like a lot. Oh my goodness. And then there's a tag in here, and it just says the amount, Gucci, whatever. And then I'm just trying to take all these straps off. So yeah. Okay, so now that that's over with, so this is a bag. I don't know where there's like a glare. So this is the bag, and this is what it looks like in the back, the side, the bottom. So you could wear it like, oh, you could wear it like shoulder, which I probably won't be doing that, or crossbody, which is definitely what I'll be doing, is wearing it crossbody. But this is what it looks like. And then you just push the clip at the bottom. And then, so it looks like right there. It has like a suede inside. So that is definitely gonna get dirty. And then inside the pocket you get, so there's one pocket inside. This Gucci little thing. And then an authenticity card. And then you get, I don't know what this is. Yeah, I guess like 2 authenticity cards. So yeah, you get 2 of those and this. And then the tag in here, which I'm gonna take off right now. But yeah, so this is the bag. I'm super excited. I can't wait to put stuff inside of it. Oh, I love it already. All right, I'm gonna show you guys just a quick view of what it looks like crossbody and on my shoulder. As a crossbody, so like right at the hip. So I really like it though. So this is where it comes up the hip, and then this is just shoulder. I really like it as like a shoulder bag too. I think it's super cute. Yeah, this is what it looks like. Excuse the mess, I just moved into my house. But yeah, I like it like both ways. You could probably wear it like this too. Super gorgeous, I love it. I'm excited. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Be sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. See you next time, bye.